This is your boy DJ So Touched with Southern Treasures Productions out of Savannah, Georgia. Today we're going to be reviewing the Behringer software, the amp remote. Okay, it's a pretty decent DSP software. It's able to control your Behringer DSP amps. Today I'm going to be using the inuke NU 1000 DSP. Right, and you can see we have it right here. Um, but typically, once you hook them up, you hit the search, and it'll search for a device. It'll show all your devices you have hooked up. Then you hit connect, and then it'll come up. On this one here, I already have some presets, but we're going to start off first in the configuration. Alright, and I'm going to give you a detailed explanation of the configuration. Alright, the DSP is very good because it takes all the guesswork out of everything that you need to do, and it's visual. It takes a while. You have to know what you're doing in order to get it done. But here you have all the functions that your DSP can operate, the modes that it can operate in. You have dual mono, you have stereo, biamp 1, biamp 2, and bridge. All right. And as you can see, it does all the work for you. So when you click, we're going to start off with dual mono, um, and it shows you. In dual mono, your input A will follow this path here. Channel A will go through all these features, which we'll explain to you later, and comes out on channel A. Whereas input B follows your same filtered channels and then come out in B. Okay, that's dual mono. Stereo, self-explanatory. Channel A, channel B goes through your set of filters and comes out in channel A and channel B. The difference is your stereo filters function all together. So when you set your EQ, your limiter, your compressor, all that stuff, you set it for a general and it comes out in both of them. Then you have biamp 1. As you can see, it's running the system biamp, and it comes to all your processors, and your channel A winds up going to your sub. Channel B is to your hive. Okay, but you still have, you're able to set everything, your crossover, your EQs, limiters, all that you're able to set for both your highs and your lows. Okay, biamp 2, you see, it's pretty much the same setup, except for now channel B is going to be controlling your low end, whereas in channel A is going to be controlling your high end. You still have all the same features, um, but it's just how it's crossed over. Okay, and of course, we have bridge, which is takes the inputs from channel A and B, still runs the filter, but it's running in bridge mode, but it gives you an output on your channel A and channel B. Okay, but all your controls here basically is still kind of like a mono, but it's just able to output both through channel A and channel B on here, but it's running it in bridge mode here. Okay. And as you can see also, when we switch through, you have channel A controls here, your delay, where you can set your delay and your limiter.